Okay, time to see what the 86 can do. The MX-5 ran about a 59 something. Look at the exact time at the end of this, but it was a little squirmy. It was playful. It was tossable, but it definitely didn't transition the weight all that great. This is flatter. The 86 is flatter. It's got a I think a firmer suspension. So, and it's got this close ratio of 6-speed. With the Miata, you can do pretty much all of it in second gear. So, we'll see what the 86 is capable of on the Autocross. All right, traction control is in track mode. I think, nope, not yet. Now we're in track mode. Oh, it's already, yeah, a lot tighter than the 86. Wow. The 86 is a lot tighter than the Miata. Feels faster. It's just no torque. Second gear is good though. Brakes are good. Oh yeah, come on. Little drift. A little understeer. No big deal. That understeer is going to kill the time. It would not turn. That was fun. This is definitely tighter, definitely flatter. And but that understeer right toward the end there, that's going to kill the time. That is going to kill the time.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.